So this is Carnival number 2, guys. There wasn't a lot in there for the kids, and it keeps raining a little as well. Oh, there's something a little bit better in here that can go on. Yeah. Oh, that's better. That's better. I don't mind them going on that. Yeah, calm down, calm down.
182. Baba kasi hindi ko nakita no. Okay, Stanley Bansa. Kikinaman niya bola 1, yung pangalawa 8.
The kids can go on the car now. We'll just have a quick look round, guys.
Bilang pang-anim 44. Pang 7 bola niya 50, yung pang-8 60. At bilang pang-siyam
Titanic. Well, that doesn't bode well, does it? You know what happened to the Titanic, don't you? It sank. Huh? I don't know. Some swings again. Gambling same. Octopus is same. Yo-yo, Mel says.
It's a frisbee.
What's a frisbee? Oh, it goes up and then it flies down. Oh my God. So I'm trying to get away from the noise as well, guys, so you can hear what I'm saying. Sorry, I keep forgetting to turn the camera around. I keep getting people complaining about that. So if we were here with adults, I'd go on that.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I will go there.
I'd go on it. Yeah, we can. Look, it's here long enough. We can come back home. So there's the Ferris wheel. Lit up. It looks very beautiful. What's that over there, Mel?
Like caterpillar, I think.
Is it for kids?
I don't know.
Well, let's have a look. I'll not bore people walking over there. Look, guys, there's a ghost train. Now, I'm wondering whether we could just shove the kids on it, pretend I'm going with them, then jump off. Let's have a look. Can you imagine the work that goes into putting all this up? And the only business they get really is on a weekend. And then how many weekends are they going to get out of it? 14 days. Really?
How much the cotton candy on your arm? This one?
I don't know. That was 20 pesos only. I mean, they're not really going to get... They'll get 4 days out of it.
Is it same taste? No.
Well, yeah, it's sugar, babe. So I guess this is for kids as well.
Yeah,
But
it's just like
you can't. I couldn't risk putting them on there on their own, and I'd look pretty stupid because I'm massive.
Look like a car.
Yeah, we're gonna put them on the cars. Come on, we'll put you on the cars.
Oh, Pia, Matthew, come na. You will go there. You ride to the car.
Mel's like my mum. She had 7 kids and she'd go through all the names before she got to the right one. So on a weekend, this is really busy, really crowded. Or like yesterday, because it was a holiday, it was very crowded because there was no kids at school. But I feel really sorry for the kids. There's loads of kids running around wishing they could get onto these places, onto these you know, different things, and they're just standing watching them, bless them. Different places. God, I've got to get my brain into gear. No, you're not going on that yet. Go on, we'll put you on the little cars first, yeah? Yeah, you can come back for that. Here we go, guys. Now this is dedication. See Daddy with his son. That's dedication. There's my baby behind. I wasn't watching. They're behind the daddy. He's a tall guy. He only just fits. There's my kids. The rope's in, Mal. The rope's in. They can't fall out. This is brilliant. I'd have loved this when I was a kid. Because I come from a poor family, we didn't really do anything like this, I'm not kidding. We'd be lucky if we got a candy floss. Hey! Look at Matthew's face. He looks like he's scared, or maybe not. Hey! Here we go, guys. She couldn't help herself. Let me go on there with the kids. They're having a great time, guys. Great time. Loving it. Loving it. Mel says, I'm not sure I can go on because I might be sick. She gets travel sickness really easy. I can remember when we went to Manila, she was sick, I think 6 times. And then she got off the bus and she said, I'm hungry. I feel really sorry again for a lot of these owners. The amount of work that goes in putting these things up, like I said earlier. I mean, there's some of them, they're not being frequented, there's nobody on them, some of the amusements. So it's time to say goodbye, guys. We've had a great night.
Yes.
The kids have had a great time, they've really enjoyed it. Thanks to everybody that's watching, thanks to everybody that supports the channel, we appreciate it.
Thank you guys. Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Bye.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support: Aaron, Gladio Atlantian, Dr. Philippines, Slacker, Ninth House Aries, John Donachi, Zark Alfrey, Kingsley, Dazlot, Michael Hildebrand, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Romeo Roma Santa, Nathan Massengill, Emmanuel Sen Pascual, Darther Gregory, M. Kitchen Baker, Steve Dornbos, Paulo Svensson, Jim Alvire, Scott Slavin, The Professor, Didas Jornales, Wade, Dumaget, Anthony Neal, Michael McFarland, George Andrews, Mira D, Simon Kennedy, Kennedy Supergirls, Simply Monks, Rick's Destination Cebu, Brian Dawson, Albar Jitch, Stephen Baxter, Ed from Queens, A Brit's Philippines Destination, Brett Glazo. Big thanks to all of you.